everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I'm about to film another video and I got some disappointing news this morning, actually as I was editing my Lancaster video. So I needed to make another intro so that you understood what was going on. I got an email this morning from Lancaster Farm Fresh saying that after careful thought and consideration, they regret to inform me that LFFC is indefinitely suspending its home delivery program. They've canceled all active and paused home delivery subscriptions as of today. That is a total bummer. What this means is the video that I'm editing right now is my last ever Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-Op home delivery order. I had no idea at the time I was unboxing it that that was the case. I seriously hope that they decide to bring it back because I loved it so much. And I reached out to Brittany, who is the one that reached out to me to tell me about this program to begin with. And I reached out to her and I said, oh, please let me know if you ever bring it back because I really want to get this. And she said I could do the pickup option, but there's no pickup locations anywhere near me. So that's not gonna work. Now, from this point on, I'm gonna be using Misfits, Imperfect, Farm Box. Maybe we'll try Worthy Flavors again. We'll see, maybe. Maybe we'll check that out again. I almost want to cry. It's that upsetting that I won't be getting anything from them again. I'm super sad. I'm sorry to be a bummer before we start the video. I hope you enjoy that. At the time that I recorded this video, I had no idea that this was going to be my last Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op order. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, this is Amy, and this is Cece. Cece wants me to turn the sink on for her because she loves to drink water from the sink. But if I do that, it will be blocking the camera lens. So Cece, we can't do that right now. I know, princess. I know. Look at her little tail. She's so cute. I just unboxed my box from Blade Box. That's over there. That's a separate video. Now we're gonna unbox the Lancaster Farm Fresh box. If you're new here, this is a subscription box from an Amish farm co-op. I get it bi-weekly, and the weeks that I don't get it, I'll get Misfits, Imperfect Foods, Farm Box Direct. But I really like this one. I love Lancaster. I don't know what's in here. It's a complete surprise to me when I open it up. Can you still see Cece in the sink over here? She's right over here. She's right below the camera. Cece, the people want to see you. She's like, Mommy, turn the water on. And Mommy's like, not now, baby Cece. Come here. Oh, stop it. Stop being Miss Nasty Pants. No, no nasty pantses. No nasty pantses. Cece. Cece. She's actually really nice. She's just acting evil right now, which she does sometimes. Should we open this box, little Cece? Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. Cece, I'm not turning the water on for you right now. We have our Enviro ice pack. Cece, would you like to look at that? What is that? What is that? It's an ice pack. We have two very adorable pieces of paper. I say that. Sometimes that does happen. And we've got, what are these? Green shard, charred, shard, charred. Which do you prefer? Long time ago, somebody criticized me for saying charred, and they said it, I say shard. I can't even remember what I say anymore. Shard is how I say it, but they prefer charred. That's what this is, and it's beautiful. Really beautiful. I'm gonna add that to some soup I have in the freezer. Ooh, and then we have some rainbow shard. So beautiful. Cece, what do you think? What do you think, Cece? She's right here. You can't, she's right out of the camera shot. Cece! This is what Cece's doing. She's sitting in the sink, sniffing. What do you think? Do you like chard? Should we call it chard or chard, Cece? What should we call it? And then we have some more rainbow chard. Wow, this is a lot. So pretty. Do you like rainbow chard? Do you like it? What is it, Cece? What is this? Oh my goodness, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look on the email they send me that shows me what the contents is, because I honestly have no idea what this is. Let's find that, shall we? They stumped me. I'm gonna say, why are you, don't lick the ice pack. I'm gonna say, because it's the only thing I don't know what it is on this list, Kozak kohlrabi. Have you heard of that? Do you know what to do with this? What do you think of it? Leave me a comment down below. What exactly do I do with this? Let me know. If you know, I need you to help me with this. Cece, what do you think of that? What do you think? What is that? What is it, Cece? Cece, what is it? What is it? What is it, Cece? She doesn't know what to make of it either. I think she's a little scared of it. And we've got some black radishes. These I know what these are. Black radishes. Some rainbow carrots, and you know what? I love the carrots from Lancaster Farm Fresh. These are so much better than the carrots that we got last week from Farm Box Direct. I wish Lancaster would send me carrots every week. I love their carrots, and Colin loves their carrots. When Colin actually says he likes a vegetable, that's a good thing. These are awesome. Upstate Abundance potatoes. Little potatoes. What is this? Oh, beets. These are golden beets. This is a whole bag of beets. And then we've got some turnips, I think. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at that again, the contents. Okay, so let's go back and look at that, because I think I know what everything else is. So we have the gold beets, we have the black radishes, we have the Kozak kohlrabi. What do I do with this? Please tell me. Leave me a comment down below. We have the rainbow carrots, the red chard, purple top turnips. That's what these are. And all blue potatoes. All blue potatoes. These say abundance potatoes. So I don't think these are the blue potatoes that they're telling me about on here, but should I open one of them up? I don't know where that came from, because these are definitely not blue. This box is $39.99. I paid for this box. This is not sponsored. What do you think of all this? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that might like it. And you know what? Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week. At least one of them is an unboxing. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.